I have a claw clip.
I have a pen.
Tap it on the counter. Okay.
Tap yours on the counter.
Click it.
If you have a claw clip, then hold it open and let it cling shut. Ah! I want to redo.
I didn't see anything, so
Okay.
Good.
Mom.
Okay. Do you want me to do that again?
Mom.
Yeah.
What?
Okay.
Angry.
What color is the pen?
Silver and brown. What color is your clip?
It's one of my brown ones, my light brown ones. Like this. See? Boba Fett.
Stop me with the board. I think you're lying, but I don't know what you have.
Mom?
I think you're lying. I think you have a chopstick.
3, 2, 1.
Pretty good, huh?
This was pretty good, wasn't it?
I knew it was a clicky, but I didn't know what type of clicky.
A licky.
Did you like my clicky? You're like, click it?
Mom.
Yeah.